Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to use TradingView strategy tester. So let's just begin. Now the very first thing that you can do is simply head over to the indicators option on top, and from here you can see we have this option of strategies over here. So basically you are here onto your personal, but so you can see we have indicators over here. You should not be searching in this, but search your strategies in your strategy section. So this step is really important. Make sure to stay in focus about the strategies. So let's just say we have MACD strategies. Right now I'm going to be simply showing you how this works. So we are going to be simply clicking MACD strategy, and you can see a table just pops out at the bottom of our screen, and in here you can set up different levels of your MACD, and you can search anything like moving average, cross, or any strategy. So I have searched for MACD. Now at the bottom you can see we have this option of strategy tester, so it is also located at the bottom as well, and it is going to be helping you to test your different kind of strategies. Now let's just say you want some analytics, right? So what you can do is from here you can head over to this drop down over here and select the strategy. Then we have the settings option. Here you can set up different fast length options. You can see slow length, MACD length. We have our properties. We can set different type of initial capitals, base currency, so on and so forth. We have our style. You can see trades on charts, signals, and everything that you want to be visible. You have your visibility, and you can set that up. And once you're happy, you can see it is going to be showing you different kind of features. So it does give you different overviews, performance summaries, and list of trades. So yeah, that is pretty much it, and that's how you can basically use strategy tester. If you want to learn in depth about it, you can definitely let us know in the comments below.